What's up, YouTube? I thought I would do a bike check. I'm getting a new seat, so I thought I'd do a review before I put the new seat on. Alright, let's get into it. I am riding a 2021 We The People Crysis. I bought it as a complete bike. My first upgrade was the Dave Mirra tribute seat. Rest in peace, Dave Mirra, legend. My second upgrade, S&M 4-piece FU bars, 10-inch rise. Those are the Animal Edwin Delarosa grips. From there, I got the Shadow Sprocket. Let's check. Sprocket. That thing is great. You gotta love the paint. After that, I got the Interlock chain, silver and black, to help blend in the bike. I broke my chain 3 times before this one, the stock chain, so I thought it was time to upgrade. After that, we got the Shadow VVS FL stem, Crimson Rain. That thing is sick. I love how it looks. With the front load stem, it drops it down nice and low. Since I got the 10-inch bars, it's a great little feature. And then I got these nice Shadow tires, front and rear. The Shadow Contender for street and park, they're freaking great. Alright, I think that's about it. Nope, I lied. And then just the stock wheels, stock cranks, stock pedals. I have an Odyssey peg in the front on my opposite side for crookeds and X-up grinds. And then for my normal side, I run these nice Shadow silver Shadow little ones, front and back. No, I am not sponsored by Shadow. I just like their products. I am open to a sponsorship or some flow, whatever. All right. So the first upgrade, like I said, was the Dave Mirra seat. I used to ride that back in the late 90s, early 2000s, right when it came out. So the Dave Mirra seat looks great on it. A lot of contrast, a lot of history. But let's change the seat. All right. Boom. Look at that. The new Shadow seat just came out. I'll let you read it. Oh, that's so cool. That's my bike tour. I think it looks great with that new Shadow seat. Alright, thanks for watching. Hope you like. Shadow, go ahead, send me some stickers, whatever you like. Alright, thanks for tuning in. Peace. stay tuned. I'm gonna do a bike check on my 1996 Dyno Air next.